Petrogas PLDT match. We're both at 3-1. Entering, we explained, want to break their losing streak. Cherry coming off their best games. Mas nang batian.
Oo.
Diba? Sa mga video packages natin as Greta gets us going. Robles right away is the first attacker, but it is checked. Lumilipad at tumitiklop ang pahayag ni Coach Sherwin about those scrimmages between NU and Creamline. In the meantime, naghahabol dito. Another free ball given away. Cal opens up. And an open spot again by Greta, finding the corner. Floor defense ng Akari so far, kaya nahihirapan this Cherry team. Running attack.
No coverage. Yes, no coverage.
And that's what Abby's saying.
Mataas siya against the block of Cherry.
13 serving 19. Ivy.
Wow.
Loves that hit.
Cross-court shot.
That was a good hit. Nakita mo yung first hit.
Santones finally stops the bleeding.
And it's dangerous for
Sweep
Cherry.
para sa Cherry Tigo. Juanco receiving. Cal reverses. Lunag was there.
Free ball.
Open. Doug.
Second free ball.
Up, overpass. Akari saving it.
Oh!
Nabor. Second ball put away. Gives them set number 1. Now we'll start set number 2.
And also Dapol.
Dapol.
Starting.
Yeah. Franco. Dig pass to Soyud. That's in.
The way the Cherry Tigo crossover celebrated that set like they just won the match, and Abby Maranyo had a very clear message. Let's dictate the energy and let's keep bringing it up, which actually reminds me of conversation.
Slide. Dapol able to get a hand on it. Chance ball. A high one to Akari. Down 1. Fifi again.
Yes, Fifi versus Cesc Robles, of course.
The Katmon Cebu pride. Oh, and Fifi gets that one to drop on the line.
Just kidding. Yeah, there.
Galang. Lead is 3. Good up. Fifi goes to Soyud. Jen back to Ara. Ara goes to the middle. Kretzel was there. Back to Soyud. One blocker to beat.
Yes.
And naturally, Abby Maranyo sends it to her spot.
Yes.
Mga tukod-tukod.
Yes.
Which iniiwasan nyo nga, kaya nga nagro-roll kayo para wag tumukod.
Or may mabali.
Yes, exactly. Yes, Ivy Lacsina finds an open spot with that swing. 7 serving 19. Alina digs it.
Wow.
Good chase by Lacsina. Who will Bicar choose? Sa gitna kay Gaston. Soltones from behind. Dug by Bicar. Nierva to Adorador. Juanco to Soyud. Over the blockers. Back to Robles. Oh, and return to sender.
Great blocking for Fifi and Soyud there.
Fifi. To her national team teammate, Jen Nierva. Cal. Soltones. 2 straight points here.
Yes.
Back set. And Akari comes from behind this time to tie this match at 1-all. So, third set is underway. Oof, and Ara miscalculating her off.
Nice serve.
Very good serve. Chance for Akari here. Soltones. Looks like that hand is fine now.
Yes, and I
Wanting them to lose that confidence and motivation, because when they are at their most confident, they play much better as a team. We're tied 1-1 in sets right now in this match, but honestly, Blumenfeld, it could go either way.
Tapol on the line. Gets it back. Covered, denied, and rejected.
all around.
Yes,
Gusto mo siyang kakampi.
yes. Chance for Cherry to counter. They go to Princess on the other side. And a massive
Yes.
swing. And here we are again at 8-7 for Cherry Tigo. Misreceived. Pinalo pa rin. Camille Cal, Soltones, Nabor. That's close. Nabor will try again. This time.
Yes, she got it. Yeah, tumalo na siya.
So this is the biggest lead of the set now at 3. Princess on the other side, and again, Sarado.
So far, Akari's blocked. Misreceive.
Chance ball. So yun, patuloy yung puntos nitong Akari. They're on a run now.
Yeah, magigil. Nakita mo, gusto niya talaga.
Galit sa bola eh.
Kung ako si Cal, bigay ko na sa kanya lahat. So kung ganun kagigil din siya.
That's in. Fifth. Here we go. Gaston gets us going for this rally.
Nice save.
Tapol on the attack. That block again. Fifi Sharma and Soyud have been collapsed.
Na mas confident actually, yung movement ni Akari.
Abby.
Nice.
Good spot. Tinuro pa.
Yeah. You know,
Ara. Coverage. Habol. Bicar. Gaston. Victoria was there. Could not keep it in play. Blocking
5 blocks
Yeah.
actually last set.
the category. Uy, umabot pa sa kabila. Tapol. That's very low. Laksina. Cross. Nerva with a dig. Pauline trying to go for some trickery there. They
Yeah,
get it
nagulat din
back.
ako kay Pauline.
Ayan. More her.
Yeah.
More her attack.
Binawi niya yung free ball bigla.
Oh, good serve. Getting a dose of their own medicine.
The blocking with the blocking.
13-16. Victoria. Expect a timeout from Coach Taka. If Cherry scores here, they do.
Is there a timeout?
Pamatay sunog na puntos. Wow. That's a perfect one for Princess Robles for her 14th point. Cannot afford to relax.
Yes.
This is why.
And I think they're frustrated kasi nga parang nangyari na to nung first set eh.
Oh no, Victoria
Nice
and
set.
Ivy. Oh, nagkagulo pero Soyud was able to dig. So Soltones from behind. Back to Ara. Hinampas yung bola. By the way, Karandang is in the ball game for Cherry Tigo.
Ni Cherry Tigo.
The ball will go to Shaya this time. At the corner. Long hit. 2 points. Sharma doing the honors. And a chance to counter. And a chance to finish.
Check ball. It was a check ball.
Block touch.
Yes.
And that means Akari comes from behind. A set down to win the next 3 sets. And finally ends their 3-game losing streak.